guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make the best and juicy grilled barbecue chicken. Yes, you guys, this chicken is so juicy and tastes amazing. Stay tuned, and also guys, do not forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new here. Help me share this video because I am trying to get to 20k so we can have the giveaway, so be sure to share the video as well. To start, I am starting with clean chicken. I do have a video down below on how I prep this chicken. Check the link down below. It's already clean with lime and hot water. So basically I am just going to start from there. I added a little bit of Epis. I do have an Epis video which I will link down below, and now I'm adding my seasoned salt as well as the Island Vibe cooking seasoning, which is available right now. Yay, finally the Island Vibe seasoning is here. The link will be down below to purchase yours. If you have any question regarding the seasoning, be sure to email me at islandvibecooking@gmail.com. Now I am not going to name every seasoning I'm adding in there. The measurement for the seasoning will be down below. Be sure to check it out. Now all you have to do after you add your seasoning is use your hand to marinate this chicken. Yes, you guys, you need to rub all the dry seasoning on there so the flavor can get through the chicken. After you're done rubbing your seasoning on the chicken, this is how it should look like. We're going to cover it and place it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Okay, you guys should already know why I love marinating my chicken overnight or ahead of time, because it just makes the chicken taste a lot better. Like, it tastes so good. Now 2 hours later, I am going to transfer the chicken to the pot that I am going to boil it in. I am going to add about 1 cup of water and 1 green scotch bonnet pepper for more flavor. We're going to let this cook. After a few minutes later, this is how it looks. As you guys can see, there's not a lot of water. It's just enough water for the chicken to cook. Now you can also flip the chicken over if you feel like your chicken is not cooking. After a few minutes later, I am going to remove the chicken because you don't want to overcook the chicken. Remember, we're going to grill this chicken. Now this gravy, I am going to save it so I can use it for later on my rice or something. Now I am going to grill the chicken. Now you guys, it was thundering that day, so bear with me because I had to go back and forth inside the house. I didn't want to be out there. It was thundering like crazy basically. So as you guys can see, that piece of the chicken was kind of burnt a little because I didn't want to come outside. Like, it was thundering like crazy. Now I am going to flip the chicken over. After that, I am going to use my favorite barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite one. I believe the one I was using is spicy honey something. But after every 5 minutes, I added a coat of barbecue sauce on there. Flip them over, added a coat of barbecue sauce until the chicken is ready. Like right now, as you guys can see, this is the chicken. It just looks so good and yummy, and let me tell you, this chicken is so flavorful. It has tons and tons of flavor. As you guys can see how good it looks from the outside. Like, when you bite in this chicken, it's just so moist in the inside. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. You can also grill this chicken. You can also bake it as well. So let me know down below how you're going to do this chicken, or if you're going to try it. Do not forget to subscribe, share the video, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys very soon. Don't forget to purchase your Island Vibe seasoning, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye.